This is Joe from YourChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop, to meet Lisa for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan.
Welcome to 820 South Michigan. I'd like to take you into our 712 unit, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. As you can see, the first bedroom has a loft style. It can fit a queen size or a full size bed comfortably. We have a bathroom with a brand new tub. Our tub does have shelving as well as our modern cabinetry as well. Next, we're going to walk into our kitchen. As you can see, we have GE appliances, a refrigerator, flat top with a stove, convention microwave, and a dishwasher. All of our cabinetry is modern, high-end furnishes, our luxury vinyl tile. Next, we're going to head into our dining area.
It's a really spacious room, and the ceiling height, which has to be 13 feet up to the top or more?
Yes, it does leave for a lot of open space. As you can see, there's plenty of natural light that's coming into the apartment. We're going to head over to our second bedroom, which faces north but also has a slight east view towards the lake. Next is our bathroom, the second bathroom, which is also spacious, furnished with brand new sink, toilet, and the tub area, which has storage. Now we're heading into the living area, the living room.
I'm going to check out that view out to the east. See the lake from here. It's a great volume room, Lisa.
Yes, please call us or email us. We'd love to show you around.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.